Today we are making a delicious vegetable and cheese omelette. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon butter or oil, 1 small onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 cup mixed vegetables bell peppers, mushrooms, spinach, tomatoes, half a cup shredded cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, or your favorite, salt and pepper to taste, optional chopped fresh herb parsley. Instructions: in a bowl, whisk eggs and season with salt and pepper. Heat butter or oil in a medium non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add onion and garlic, cook until softened 3 to 4 minutes. Add mixed vegetables, cook until tender 4 to 5 minutes. In other pan, pour whisked eggs, cook until edges start to set, add cook vegetables and cook for 1 minute. Sprinkle cheese evenly over half the omelette. Fold the other half over cheese, cook until cheese melts and eggs are cooked through 2 to 3 minutes. Slide omelette onto a plate, garnish with fresh herbs. Variations: add diced chicken, bacon, or cooked sausage for added protein. Use different cheeses or combinations, feta and parmesan. Experiment with various vegetables, zucchini, broccoli. Here is an approximate calculation of the calories in a vegetable and cheese omelette. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 140 calories. 1 tablespoon butter or oil, 100 calories. 1 small onion, 45 calories. 2 cloves garlic, 10 calories. 1 cup mixed vegetables, 50 calories. Half a cup shredded cheese, 100 to 150 calories. Total calories approximately 445 to 495 calories. Protein 28 to 30 grams eggs, cheese. Fat 26 to 30 grams butter, oil, cheese. Carbohydrates 20 to 25 grams vegetables, cheese. Fiber 4 to 5 grams vegetables. Sugar 5 to 6 grams naturally occurring from vegetables. Keep in mind that these estimates may vary depending on specific ingredient brands and measurements. If you have specific dietary needs or restrictions, consult a registered dietitian or healthcare professional for personalized guidance.